Hey everyone, imagine you're cruising down the road and suddenly, your engine revs up. But the car isn't accelerating as it should. It feels like the transmission is slipping and then, boom! The check engine light appears. You scan for trouble codes and get P0894 transmission component slipping. This means your transmission isn't engaging properly, which can lead to severe internal damage if ignored. Stay tuned as I'll break down the exact sensor locations, causes, and step-by-step fixes for P0894. Let's get started. DTC P0894 indicates that the transmission control module has detected excessive slipping in the transmission's internal components, like the clutch packs or torque converter. If left unchecked, this can lead to total transmission failure. Common symptoms include slipping transmission where engine revs, but no acceleration occurs, delayed or harsh gear shifting, transmission overheating, check engine light, and reduced fuel efficiency. Transmission input speed sensor is mounted near the front of the transmission, measuring input shaft speed, usually located close to the torque converter. Transmission output speed sensor is located near the rear of the transmission, tracking output shaft speed. Transmission control module is typically mounted on or near the transmission housing or inside the engine bay fuse box. Transmission fluid pressure sensor is found inside the valve body, near the transmission pan, monitoring hydraulic pressure. Always check your vehicle's manual for exact sensor locations. What causes P0894? Low or contaminated transmission fluid, worn-out clutch packs or torque converter issues. Faulty input or output speed sensors, malfunctioning TCM or internal transmission wear and hydraulic pressure loss. How to fix P0894. Step 1. Check the transmission fluid. If it's low or dirty, replace or top it up. Step 2. Inspect the input and output speed sensors. Replace if faulty readings detected. Step 3. Check clutch packs and torque converter for excessive wear from slipping. Step 4. Test the TCM using diagnostic tools and check for software updates. Step 5. Perform test drive and reset the code using an OBD-II scanner. Ignoring P0894 can result in serious transmission failure, so it's crucial to fix it as soon as possible. A slipping transmission isn't just an inconvenience, it's a sign of bigger problems ahead. For more OBD-II error codes, check out P0654 engine speed output circuit and P0655 engine hot lamp output control circuit. This is IG Garage, helping you fix your car like a pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.